Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate ganache using cocoa powder and without using any chocolate or cream. Let's get started. I'm going to start off by grinding my biscuits, and this is what will make our ganache nice and thick. This chocolate ganache has a thick consistency, so make sure your blender is powerful enough to handle it. If you want to make this ganache but you don't have a blender, at the end of this video, I'll show you how this exact same ganache turned out when I made it with a stand mixer. This recipe comes together in only a few minutes. I'm simply gonna put all the ingredients in the pitcher of my blender and blend until very smooth. Starting with the wet ingredients, I'm gonna add in my butter, milk and vanilla extract. Then I'll add the dry ingredients. I have sugar, salt, ground biscuits, cocoa powder and powdered milk. When you blend these up, make sure you stop a few times to scrape the sides of your blender's pitcher so you don't end up with big lumps in your chocolate ganache. And I also recommend using room temperature ingredients for this one. The temperature of the blender will melt some of the butter, which will make the ganache look a little bit runny, but if you leave it on the counter for about 30 minutes, it will thicken back up. Here I used the exact same ingredients, but I used a stand mixer to mix them up instead of a blender. It did turn out good, but the texture was not as smooth as the one I made with a blender. I also tried to pass it through a sifter, but I didn't really see a big difference. If you want to make chocolate sauce out of this chocolate ganache, you simply need to add a few tablespoons of milk to thin it out, 1 tablespoon at a time, and mix it well until you reach the desired consistency. This is how the chocolate ganache looks like after I let it sit in the fridge overnight. This cocoa powder ganache would be a great alternative to chocolate ganache if you don't have any cream or chocolate at home. And it tastes like creamy milk chocolate. I hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you next time. Take care.